Kidamtang preni phai ner kebarni arni kangsam apor malom Nayara petrol pump adung het rong milia long kedo AK building mate CM Banglo athingno Jesemet Diphu rong supia long kedo ara datuma phan ke panong pipon Joike pen via asatlang ke enji awar saya phan Ziagnosis lab center kimi kangpu pon Pinpor me monit kereng et ahut e ogarlo sonsuria kiso kachini jilapen kepang thek ponji aphan doctors lapen laboratory technician atum via asatlang ke enpon kinangvek Bon sitame via asatlang ke enji aphan hospital along penangana warsai kavedet titiga jok akisung dokok titiga sonsi ke thekpon long ke ong la sonsi Diphu rong sopi Nayara petrol pump adung rong milia long kedo CM Banglo thingno kedo AK building along jesemet Diphu rong sopi along kedo araratum Joike pen via asatlang ke enji adim Ziagnosis lab center kimi Dr. Jaya Bhattacharya arideng pen ingpu ponlo Lapen radatum Joike pen vi asatlang ke enji aphan anam jum hek pen Diphu rong sopi lapen karbiang long aradatum awar sakimi long pon puputa Dr. Jaya Bhattacharya pen ningje pontu
So Kadom, a very good evening Karbiang long. I am very happy that today we have started Ziagnosis here with respected Mr. Augustine Kramsa sir and Professor Lily I ma'am. I'm very happy that I have got them as my partner to start here to work in the health sector and in the education sector also. First of all, let me tell about health sector. We have started here Ziagnosis. This is a branch which we brought here like from Delhi. So mainly we have started in Delhi with the alumni of AIMS, Doctor Pathologist of AIMS, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, myself Dr. Jaya Bhattacharya, myself I have done my PhD in HR, and Dr. Shashwati Hazarika is there. We both are developing Northeast Ziagnosis. So our lab, we are aiming not only in providing a very good service in health sector, but also we want to do social service also.
Bangso hud rada phan ke pachini pona tengke nangli tum jongsi ok ring no hoi nangli sonsuri asai ke claim kaching kham piga jok blood laboratory center an via asatlang kachi endam ji aphan kasik sak mate apor kadure dokok polote la screen along ke paklang pon mobile number 6900573859 along humri ponlote hem kalite sai hem along anstami via asatlang ke enji aphan Ziagnosis lab center penamat Diphu rong sopia long kedo arat along humri dampen via asatlang ke en ponjia warsai long pon popusi Dr. Rangsina tokbia hin pen ningje pon
nadak mane kompon po jenebala diabetes sakisotum latungke achiklojon ting ba hopta tin pustame pane 1000 positame hedi nilitum non starting penke suri si pensipang chengpo lake chiklojon thoman phanlo son thak si belek package ta non ulai pompo nilitum labang mola media hin pen stame pachini pa home service ati pike ladak pen berla anwelang ladak Diphu to berla angkela pu lamdeng road side bangke PWD an
Labangso kangpu pona jai megalong Chamber of Commerce amai phu Augustine Kramsa Karbiang Long Life Executive Editor in Chief Ratis Rongphar Professor Lily I Terangpi Rongsopi Presbyterian Deacon Bandan Chandran Crow atum pen ke danglok pinangan ke thekiding atum chetong dun rinti
Ladak nili methang mata nili 2012 pen nili kesu lapen AVP ni kacetes penangan ki sungdu la sinili mathalodak Karbiang Long ara atum penangan ki sungdu la AVP ni kacetes lahai la sinili nut bahinia doktor pen advice and mate pinila tok biasang ho la pen la gohati asor to pen itum chelang si nili methang si nili dam si nili agreement dam si itum partnership si dak ke claim la si Karbiang Long arar phan ki joy kg po pan si nili la so a left kangpu
News Desk report Karbiang Long Live